Welcome to Simple Surge. Does physics feel like an endless mountain of math? What if you could stop memorizing formulas and start seeing the universe? Today, we're hacking the laws of reality. If you're ready to master physics in record time and skip the boring lectures, hit like, share this with a fellow nerd, and comment physics below to join the surge. Physics isn't math, it's intuition described by math. Most students fail because they look at the equation first. We're going to look at the world first. Math is just the language. Rule 1. Define your system. If you don't know where the world ends and your problem begins, you'll get lost. Draw a box around what matters. Everything else is just noise. Stop reading force problems. Start feeling them. Every interaction is just a push or a pull. If you can't draw the arrows, you don't understand the problem. Visualize the tug of war. The free body diagram is your god. Reduce everything to a single dot. If the arrows don't balance, the dot is moving. It's that simple. Mastering this one tool solves 80% of mechanics. Use mental simulations. Before you solve for X, predict what should happen. Will it fly up? Will it stop? If your math says it flies, but your brain says it falls, your math is wrong. The illegal order of magnitude hack. Physics isn't about being exact initially. Round G to 10, round pi to 3. If you can get the right neighborhood in seconds, the details are easy. Treat energy like a bank account. It can change form, from potential to kinetic, but it never disappears. If you lose energy, check for friction, the bank fee of the universe. In physics, we start in a fantasy world with no friction. Master the ideal first. Once you know how the universe works in a vacuum, adding air resistance is just an extra step. Never guess. Use the 5-step system. 1. Write what you know. 2. Write what you need. 3. Pick the formula. 4. Do the math. 5. Check if the units make sense. Every single time. Dimensional analysis is illegal because it's a cheat code. If your answer is in meters but the question asks for seconds, you missed a turn. Let the units drive the car. Stop worrying about electrons in wires. Electricity is just water in pipes. Voltage is the pump pressure. Current is the water flow. Resistance is a narrow pipe. Simple surge, simple logic. If you understand plumbing, you understand circuits. Kirchhoff's laws are just counting how much water goes into a junction and how much comes out. Don't let the symbols scare you. Everything in physics is connected. Waves are just moving motion. Heat is just microscopic mechanics. When you see the connections, you only have to learn half the material. The secret to fast learning is finding the patterns. The inverse square law works for gravity and light. Learn the pattern once, use it everywhere. That's illegal efficiency. Teach it to a cat. If you can't explain the Doppler effect in one sentence without using the word frequency, you don't know it. Simplify until it's impossible to forget. The one-sentence hack. Summarize every chapter in 10 words or less. If you can condense the complexity, you've mastered the essence. This is how you study 10x faster. Stop taking pages of notes. Start sketching. One drawing of a spring is worth 500 words of theory. Your brain is a visual processor. Use it to your advantage. Associate every formula with a visual anchor. P tau mv is a bowling ball hitting pins. F tau ma is pushing a car. These anchors act like bookmarks in your memory bank. Physics requires heavy cognitive lifting. Use the 50-10 cycle. 50 minutes of deep problem solving, then 10 minutes of complete movement. Blood flow equals brain power. During your 10-minute break, don't look at a screen. Shaking your body or staring at a wall helps your subconscious compile the physics logic you just learned. Trust the pause. Physics is logic, and logic needs water. Dehydration creates brain lag. Drink 16 ounces of water every hour you study. A hydrated neuron is a fast neuron. Fuel the surge. Hydration increases your processing speed by 15%. In a 3-hour study session, that's 27 extra minutes of peak performance for free. Drink up, surge on. Exam day. Scan the whole paper first. Solve the 1-minute problems immediately. This locks in easy points and tells your subconscious to start working on the hard ones in the background. If a question takes more than 3 minutes, skip it. Don't let one momentum killer ruin your entire exam. Physics is a game of speed and strategy. Win the easy battles first. At Simple Surge, we believe in radical simplification. You don't need a higher IQ, you need a better system. We give you the keys to unlock your natural brilliance. Stop fighting against your brain and start working with it. Use these systems, and you'll find that hard subjects aren't actually hard. They just weren't simple enough. Thousands of high performers have used these intuitive methods to dominate physics. You are next. The laws of physics are fixed, but your ability to learn them is infinite. Become the outlier. Use these hacks today and feel the difference in your next study session. You aren't just learning, you are surging toward your future. If this guide cleared the fog for you, smash that like button, share it with your study group, subscribe to Simple Surge for more illegal ways to master your life. We read every comment. What's the one physics concept that always trips you up? Tell us below, and we might hack it in the next surge. Let's build this together. This is Simple Surge. Stay sharp, stay focused, and we'll see you, well, moving at the speed of light. Goodbye for now. Don't stop the surge. Master your time, master your life. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Simple Surge, productivity mastered, life optimized. We'll see you soon.